Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we'll show you how to send money from your Nexuspay to Bkash. Start by opening the Nexuspay app on your phone. Log in, sign in using your credentials or biometrics. On the home screen, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Then select Send Money from the menu options. Choose Bkash on the next screen. Select Bkash as the recipient service. If you don't see Bkash listed, just choose the phone number option and enter the Bkash registered mobile number. Enter the details, type in the recipient's Bkash phone number, the amount you want to send, and your Nexuspay PIN. Then finally, review and confirm. Double check all the details, then tap confirm or send money. You should receive a notification once the transfer is successful, and the Bkash recipient will also get a confirmation SMS or an app alert. And that's it. The money is now sent from your Nexuspay to Bkash. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.